Okay, so this is my audition for Party Ponies 265. My voice is gonna. I asked what voice I could do it in. She said any voice that I would like. So here we go. I need to have a drink after. Anyway. Sorry, Lemon. I can't. Me, Dora, and Tinker talking. My voice sounds horrible. Sorry, Lemon, I can't. Me, Dora, and Tinker talking. Sorry, Lemon, I can't. Me, Dora, and Tinker talking. My voice sounds horrible right now. What is it? Oh, Lemon, are you okay? Oh, I can't. I sound horrible. Nah. What is it? Oh, Lemon, are you okay? What is it? Oh, Lemon, are you okay? It sounds horrible. I'm sorry. Okay, why? Okay, why? Okay, why? Lemon, they won't do anything. I'm sorry, I sound horrific. Lemon, they won't do anything. Lemon, they won't do anything.